I'm gonna show you exactly how to capture WhatsApp consent. I'm just gonna take this microphone off. This is using Klaviyo. Now, really quickly, you're gonna see me mention a school community in these videos, modules and training. That's because this is part of my training program, and there's a link to it in the description of this video. So if you wanna turn email into the best ROI channel that you have, check out that school community. It's the best place to learn how to do email marketing. Now, I'm also not gonna teach you how to set up WhatsApp marketing. That's gonna come out in a different video. And if you want access to it right now, it's in the school community. But I am gonna show you how to capture WhatsApp marketing, or rather WhatsApp consent for WhatsApp marketing in Klaviyo. Anyway, let's get into the video. So if you're watching this in school, you would have watched the previous module where I teach you how to actually set up your WhatsApp account. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about how to actually capture those SMS, or rather WhatsApp subscriptions, right? Now, I'm assuming you already actually have the SMS forms set up in terms of capturing SMS subscription that I taught in the previous modules, okay? The way that we're going to capture SMS, or rather WhatsApp, is going to be very similar to our SMS consent. It's actually so similar, we're going to use the exact same forms we built in our SMS section that captures SMS consent using my SMS strategy to also capture WhatsApp consent. We're going to assume this form here is a regular SMS pop-up that has already been built. Okay, so if you followed our strategy, this would be your SMS pop-up that you built to show to people who have already subscribed to email marketing. Okay, I'm going to assume you have that built. What you're actually going to do is you're going to go into that form that we built previously, and you see this little block here. You're going to click this. Okay, this is the phone number, and this channel drop-down says text message, WhatsApp, WhatsApp and text message, and phone number only. You're going to change this to WhatsApp message, okay? WhatsApp and text message. This means when somebody subscribes to this, right, they are gonna be subscribed to both SMS and WhatsApp marketing, okay? You don't need to capture them separately. Do it in the same form. If you're capturing WhatsApp, or rather SMS, and you wanna do WhatsApp, capture it in the same form. Only thing we're gonna change is you see this here, where it says company name, right there. See this, company name? Ensure you insert your legal name. So in this case, inbox, email, marketing limited. Legally, you have to do that. Make sure you insert your privacy policy in your terms. Click back, and that's it. That is literally all you have to do. From a pop-up form perspective, this will help you capture both SMS and WhatsApp. I'm going to show you how to build the flows in the next module in this course, okay? Now, you can capture it this way, okay? Now, unfortunately, I haven't been able to find a way to actually get people to subscribe to WhatsApp marketing at checkout, okay, through the integration. Haven't been able to figure that out, but you can do it on the sign-up form here. And another thing you can do, I'm not going to hit publish because I don't want this to go live, is you can actually go into your welcome series, and in your emails, okay, or pretty much not even in your welcome series, in any email that you send people, you can include a block, okay? A block, a content block, all right? That, if I give you an example here, let me show you. That will take them to a page that can opt them in for WhatsApp marketing. Let me show you. So, I recommend doing this across the board, okay? You go into here, create like a, whatever, some block. All right, I'm just gonna create a dummy block right now, okay? So this isn't how I'd actually, from like a look perspective, recommend doing it, but you get the idea. We're gonna say text, we're gonna say, click here, edit text, click here to subscribe to WhatsApp. Click here. This is super messy, but you get the idea, right? Really quickly, sorry to interrupt the video. I just wanted to tell you something really cool that we've started doing with Inbox. I've actually created a school community where I teach you anything and everything I know about email and SMS marketing, from really advanced campaign strategies to how to simply set up your Klaviyo account, all the way to building really, really cool automations for the back end of your e-commerce store. Whether you're a business owner trying to learn how to do email marketing, or an email marketer trying to learn how to become a better email marketer, there is a link in the description to this school community where I teach you everything I know. Check it out. It's worthwhile. Book a call to have a chat with me to see if you're a right fit for the community. And if you are, I'd love to get you in there. Anyway, sorry for interrupting your video. Let's get back to it. Then you're going to create a new landing page on your website that hosts a form that people can subscribe to WhatsApp and SMS on, okay? So right now, if we go onto like inbox.co.nz for an example, this is my website. Somebody lands on here. What I can do, okay, is I can actually create a blank page on this website. Let me show you. This is so cool. I am so smart. No one does these strategies, but it's such high level strategy stuff. So you're going to create a new blank page, whether it's on Shopify. In this case, I'm using WordPress, but you're going to create a blank page. Okay. You're going to get the link to that blank page and you're going to insert it right here in the click here. So when they click that, it takes them to that page. Now, what are you going to do on that page? We'll go pages. Okay. I'm going to show you. We're going to say, let's just go add page. Okay. And we're going to do this. Just going to call it test. Okay. We're going to leave it like this. And we're going to go back into our forms. You're going to create a form. Okay. Create form. You're going to create blank form. You're going to call this WhatsApp embed form. And if you've been following me for a while, you probably already know what I'm doing here. I'm going to go embed WhatsApp subscribers. Okay, so when they subscribe to this, it'll add them to their WhatsApp subscriber list. You're going to go here. You're going to go targeting and behavior. Sorry, rather ad blocks. Go over to here. Click phone number. Boom. Put the phone number there. Okay. Delete this email block. Okay. Now, remember what we did? Change text message to WhatsApp and text message. Okay. Update your company name. Okay. So we're going to go here. Inbox, email, marketing, limited. Now, if you want to incentivize this, you should. But in this case, we're just going to say sign up for WhatsApp. If you want to incentivize the sign up, say the discount code, sign up for WhatsApp for 20% off or whatever, right? Yep. Sign up for WhatsApp. They hit subscribe. Shows the next step. It's going to put them to a WhatsApp subscriber list. Perfect. Success. Thanks for subscribing. If we're not giving them a code, leave it like that. If it's not, here is your code. Chad 10. You get the idea, right? Whatever. Delete this little block. Thanks for subscribing. Here's your code, Chad 10 if you have a discount code. Boom. Publish. Publish anyway. We'll just review the alerts rather. Oh yeah, I gotta set up text messaging. All right, I gotta finish this. Give me a second here. Cool, so our form is published. We're gonna take this code here. See that? Take it, copy and paste it, embed it as HTML. Sorry, not code, HTML. Into the page, okay? So we're gonna go here. This is WordPress. If it's Shopify, it'll be a little different. HTML, cool, publish, publish. Now this embed form, right here, will show up on that page. I'll show you. There it is, okay? It's formatted a little funky. It should be fine once I reload it. You take this URL, okay? I don't know why it's not showing up, but it'll show up. Just make sure it does show up, actually. If we just go targeting behavior, show to all visitors. Yeah, that's perfect. It should show up. There's probably just some blocker happening right now. But you're going to take that URL. There it is. Perfect. And then you're going to insert it as a link to that email that I closed like an idiot. So hold on, let me get this here. Campaign, there it is. Click here to subscribe. You see what I mean? For WhatsApp. And if you have an incentive, insert the incentive there. Click here, Okay, there you go. Boom, when they click there, make sure this text is black because you don't want it to be like that. There you go. Then they click here, it'll take them directly to the landing page, right? Take them to here, they'll subscribe to WhatsApp marketing. Now, if you're giving them incentive, make sure you trigger a welcome series flow off of somebody subscribing to WhatsApp marketing, okay? I'll show you how to do that in the next module, just as if you are doing an incentive or you just want to send them a confirmation message, okay? I'll show you how to do that in the next module in this course. But that is how you capture WhatsApp consent from a sign-up form perspective and within your emails from every message. What I recommend doing within these emails here, right, is basically saving this as a universal block, set as universal block, call it like WhatsApp subscription, create, and then add this block to every single email, in every flow, and in every campaign to grow that SMS list. That is how you do it.